Hey guys, listen to this, okay? Please, please stop comparing yourself to other people, okay? You are perfect. You are just right on time. You are not behind, okay? In God's plan, you are just right on time. Trust in His plan, trust in His timing. Do not lose your faith. Okay? That's the problem with most people nowadays. They always compare themselves to other people. Do not live their life, live your own life. Find happiness and from within yourself, contentment with what you have. Do not look for the things that you do not have. There is a reason why you don't have the things that you do not have. Trust me, that is for your own good. God knows the best. God knows what's best for you, what's best for each one of us. Always remember that, okay? Have a great day, everyone.